Hello, fellow foodies. Today, we are diving into the world of quick and delicious flavors with a prawn curry that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. I'm your Quirky Quest, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this easy and flavorful recipe. But before we get started, let's gather our ingredients for this quick and delicious prawn curry. 2 tablespoon oil. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. 5-6 curry leaves. 1 dried red chilli. 2 medium onions, paste. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 large chopped tomato. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 250 g fresh prawns. 1/2 cup coconut milk. 1½ cup water. 1 slit green chilli. 1 tablespoon chopped coriander. In a kadai, wok, heat up oil and add in the mustard and curry leaves, fry for 15 seconds. Now add the onions paste and dried red chilli and fry on medium heat till most of the water from the onions dries out, took about 2-3 minutes. Next add ginger garlic paste and cook for 2 minutes, then add the tomatoes along with 1/4 cup water, cover and cook for 2 minutes till the tomatoes soften completely. The masala should dry up, then add in all the spices powders and fry on medium-low heat for 3 minutes. Once the spices are cooked, add the prawns and stir fry got 10 seconds. Now add in the coconut milk, water, green chili and adjust the salt, mix this well. Cover and let this simmer on medium heat for 2-3 minutes. Finish off with a generous sprinkle of fresh coriander for that burst of freshness. And there you have it, a quick and delicious prawn curry ready to be served over steaming rice or with some warm naan bread. If you're ready to add a burst of flavor to your dinner table, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick and delicious recipes. Enjoy this prawn curry, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!